So, this came in the mail today. Yeah. Still have the box and everything. This thing is so badass, the instructions are in Asian. That's how serious business this is. Got the little compartment for the wire as well. Nice and tidy. Usual buttons. And the switch for multiple... You can't see it because of the mirror. But multiple modes for different consoles here. Oh, you can see it now. Yep. This is pretty special. Especially when you compare it to the old thing. Which, if I just grab that quickly... It's still got the wire wrapped around it though. I have to apologise. My old one. Looking a bit rough around the edges as you can see. And this bad boy. Yeah. 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 This will be the part where I play somebody and they'll be like, yeah, you spent all that money, huh? And I still kick your ass. Money well spent. Anyway. Bye for now.